Well, hey YouTube, it is Saturday, October 16th, 2021. Organized cycling is coming back as we're starting to emerge from the pandemic, and I'm on my way out to Davis to go ride Bike Sag. You can see on the bike in back of me, the Davis Bike Club does a century ride every October called the Foxy Fall Century. And for the past few years, they have had rolling support, which is folks like me who ride around, do the same route as the riders, carry spare parts and tubes and patch kits and whatever, and just generally be there to help out people on the course who may have a mechanical issue or a flat or whatever. So that's what I'm going to go do today. I'm doing the 100-kilometer course. I love riding metric distances because I can say I did 100 kilometers, not miles, but I did 100. So that's my goal for today. Heading out to Davis. I'm going to park somewhere and head over to the start. And I'm going to be taking some film pictures today as I do the ride. I brought a film camera with me in addition to this video camera. So looking forward to a fun day. It's a little bit cold this morning. Should be a nice afternoon, and I will check in with you later on down the road. Alright, so the ride has begun. I'm just a few miles out. Just riding along at a moderate pace and looking for folks who need help. And if I don't see anybody who needs help, I'll start throwing out some tacks and create flat tires. So I have something to do. Nice morning. Computer says it's 57 degrees. A little on the chill side for us Northern California folks. Looking forward to a fun ride. I need any help?
Yeah, we're just stopping. Thank
All right.
you.
Good luck. All right, here's the famous Stevenson Creek Bridge. Take a look and see if you can guess what it is famous for. Yeah, actually it's a graffiti. Some say that's what holds the bridge together. Morning.
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 Thank you.
A little left, please.
Hello, welcome.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Hey. Hi. All right. Almost 40 miles in, about 24 to go, according to my computer. This is a road called Pleasance Valley. And it's a very pleasant place to ride. This all burned a few years ago. You can still see a lot of the homes that aren't there anymore, and the trees that have burned and so on. But it's coming back. There's green out here. So far, I have not had to help anybody. I've offered a lot of times. A lot of people just deciding to stop by the side of the road. That's fine. Ran into a nice
into an old friend who I knew from my years of living in Davis. Interesting to see where our kids have gone over the years. They used to play together in grade school. Now they're all out of college. That's kind of scary to think about. So a very nice road back here. A little glimpse of Northern California of, you know, kind of a bygone era. And there should be a rest stop up here in about 6 miles or so. Looking forward to that. We'll check in there. All right, here we go, rest stop. And a steep downhill right at the entrance here, so got to be careful of that. With about a mile to go, we're back actually in Davis, past the city limit a little while ago. There are a couple more turns and back to the finish. Hope I get something to drink. Maybe an ice cream or two. That sounds really good right now. I ended up, well, unless something happens between here and the finish, did not have to render aid to anybody. Offered a lot of times, but no flats that I saw, no mechanicals. One guy had fallen, but there was already someone calling help for him, so I guess that's good, because nobody had problems. Another Foxy fall, almost in the books. And next up, PTSD in November.